This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permission. This protects you and others. Next, open Wi-Fi settings and scan for nearby SSIDs. Write down the exact name and strength. Once you see the network, check any device you already own that might be connected. It often stores the password. Make sure to stay local to the router so signal readings are accurate, and prepare to try the easiest sources first, like a router label or a connected phone. Once you've identified the SSID, retrieve stored credentials from devices you own. On Windows, view Wi-Fi properties and reveal the network security key. On Mac OS, use keychain access to find the saved password. For iOS, use keychain via Mac OS or device backup access. Android often lists saved networks and may display passwords if you have proper permissions or root access. Otherwise, export via system backup. Make sure you use account credentials and system. Finish by checking the router itself. Many routers list a default SSID and password on the label. Use that only with owner consent. If that fails, ask the owner to read or reset the password or to reboot the router. They can also restore factory defaults if needed. Once you have the password, enter it carefully, and if connection fails, forget the network on your device and try again. If problems persist, reboot both devices and confirm the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.